Hello dear children, good morning. Today I am going to start with the reading part of your 5th lesson, Our Agriculture. All of you open page number 251 in your textbooks, children. We do reading part today. Our Agriculture. Agriculture. Our agriculture. Agriculture or farming, farming. Farming is the practice, practice of cultivating, cultivating land. It also includes includes other farm related, farm related, practices like horticulture, livestock, livestock, rearing, and fishing. Agriculture gives, gives food for our consumption, and raw materials for industries. Nearly 3/5 of the Indian population are farmers. What makes India an agricultural country? Fertile soil, favorable climatic conditions, and adequate, adequate, irrigation facilities have made it possible for the farmers of our country to grow a variety of crops. Cropping, seasons. India has 3 cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. Kharif crops are sown, sown in at the starting, starting of monsoons, and harvested at the end of monsoons. Crops such as rice, maize, millets, jute, and cotton are grown during this season. The rabi crops are sown at the starting, starting of winter season, and harvested at the starting of summer season. Crops such as wheat, wheat, barley, peas, and mustard are grown during this season. In between the Rabi and the Kharif seasons, there is a short season during the summer months known as the Zaid season. Crops such as vegetable, and seasonal fruits are grown during this season. Next, types of crops. In India, farmers produce two types of crops: food crops and cash cash crops. Food crops. Food crops are crops that are grown for human, human, consumption, for human consumption. Some major food crops grown in India are rice, rice. Climatic requirements, climatic, climatic requirements, or hot, hot, and humid, with plenty of rainfall. And rain produces, produces, or West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Odisha, and Kerala. Next, wheat, wheat. Climatic requirements are cool and moist. And main producers are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Next, millets, millets. Climatic requirements are hot and dry, dry. And main producers of these millets are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Next, pulses, pulses, including including lentils, lentils, or dals, like moong, masoor, arhar, and gram. And the climatic requirements are dry climate, and main producers of these pulses are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Children, we will continue from cash crops from our next class, and once go through today's video, children, we will continue the remaining part in our next class. So listen to the words, pronounce the words, and learn the words. Bye children. Thank you.